We're here at the flight field where young Dave here first started flying his Spitfire. He hasn't flown it since I think about July.
It's been a while.
And but the thing is, we've come here and they put goalposts in.
Well, it's a football field.
And they've marked it out in like all football stuff and things. Just carrying out some flight checks. So do you remember how to fly it?
I don't know. I'm going to find out. I'm going to find out. Gonna find out. Do I remember how to fly it?
The tension's mounting. Oh my.
Seems a bit twitchy. Is that the nose hanging off again?
I can't see. Oh no.
It snapped. Oh, nothing a bit of glue won't fix. Okay. It seemed really twitchy for some unknown reason.
I couldn't tell obviously watching.
Yeah, it just seemed like it just, I don't know, perhaps I've got that set to, I just wanted to stall all the time. Right, I'll get the glue out. We'll come back in 5.
Was it? It's not 5 minute glue though, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay then. Right, see you in 5.
See you in 5.
It's now disassembling the aircraft. This is a quick tutorial on how easy.
I say that, I don't think I've got anything to knock the glue up on. Got the paster that's now stuck to the box. Let's go look in the car. Wings alright. They're quite solid, those things.
Right.
It's this, it breaks here every time. Exactly the same place. So what I should have done is, at home I should have just snapped it there and glued it back. Yeah, a bit of glue and that'll be back in the air.
Right. We'll be back in a minute. Slight update.
I ain't got the glue!
You didn't bring the glue.
Oh, that's bloody stupid.
I've got glue at home, but it's 12-minute stuff, but it's the same stuff.
Right, it'll only take 12 minutes, won't it? Right, if you're alright with that, we'll go back and use a bit of your glue.
Okay, mate. Right, we'll be back. Here we are, back at the field. Dave's just screwing it back together.
Oh, I've got to take it apart again.
Why?
Because it kind of crashed, I haven't checked that the plugs are all in the receiver.
It's now glued with epoxy 12 minutes.
Epoxy 12 minutes?
Which Dave
seems like a lot longer than that.
is complaining about because his arms hurt because he's been standing there holding it.
I've got 5 minute gear at home. It's no good at home though, is it?
No.
Hey Dave.
No. And it doesn't seem as breezy up here now. It's definitely done. Look, have you seen? Look, we've got goalposts now to fly through.
Yeah, that's nice one to put them on.
It was, wasn't it? Yeah, it's part of our new assault course.
New assault course, yeah, you know. Bit of Red Bull flying.
One right up there.
That looks better. It looks like it used to now with the broken.
Oh yeah.
You know.
Oh, we're back to where we was earlier. Look.
It looked wrong.
It's just got this faint line.
Yeah, that's it. It's meant to have that.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, it looked wrong
I
before.
was saying that. I've seen that line on them before.
Seems to work better with that line.
Okay, a bit more weight on the front.
Yeah, that's it.
Right, we'll be back in a minute.
Coco, am I allowed to sit
Take
down
two.
here?
Let's see if I can keep it in the air a bit longer.
Yeah, all stay behind this toolbox.
Right. I know I am.
Davina, could you come down and stay over there, please?
It takes to the air.
Stay here, boys.
Bombing down Italy.
Yeah, I know what it is.
What?
Elevator's a lot more responsive.
What with them sticks?
Yeah.
Coco. That flies nicely.
Would you prefer it?
Oh, it's just going to take a bit of learning to get used to the sensitivity of it, you know?
Land it.
But look, bit of glue and it feels lovely. It's not doing what it did earlier.
Well, I think the breeze has died right down.
Good landing.
Ain't bad. It's working.
And it takes
Oh, look, he's going to go through the goalposts. He's got to do it, look. He's got to do it.
Right, so which one's the elevator? Can I adjust that?
Circuits in the land, and I'll film the sticks as we can see the actual stick movement. Let's just try and.
Right, so I'm going to do exactly the same as what I did just then.
Okay, look, is that in your way like that?
No, that's fine.
Oh,
I'm in a ditch.
hang on, mate. Right, I'll put it on wide. Says.
Okay, can you see my fingers, yeah?
Yeah.
Right, so we do exactly the same again. Take off and circuit and then land.
Yeah.
Let's do exactly the same. It's going round. It's coming back towards us now. Bit of roll, pull back. Right, okay, for landing, throttle off, glide it in. It's coming down, it's down. There you go.
So that was throttle completely off.
Yeah, that's how I land it. Throttle off, let it glide in.
So when you're taking off, I didn't see that. Don't worry about the throttle.
Taking off is very gentle, just like that. Literally pulling back,
Literally
back,
that.
till I'm about 2 foot off the floor, and then I'm pulling back more. Because I mean, the thing is what I was doing before when I was taking off before. When I first learned how to do it, I was full throttle and I was yanking back on that, and it's just sending it straight into a stall. 4 feet off the ground, and then it's got no time to dive back down and recover, and that's why you'll see on the videos. That's why I was smashing into the floor. So with a bit of experience, a bit of learning, and it seems to be I'm getting somewhere with it. I would drive it, but okay.
So this is the Art Tech, isn't it?
The Arctic Spitfire. I think it's the Supermarine Spitfire. I could be wrong though. I'm sure it's what it said on the box.
So this is your second set of wings.
Yeah, third fuselage.
Third fuselage.
Check the goalposts. Bit of a rough landing, but it's down.